I need to make a video because I need to say my side of the story about something that's going on with me. Um, so, right there is my safe. And I keep my most important stuff in there. And it got broken into. Uh, what happened was it was a sticker or something like that. But ever since then, I've had a lot of break-ins. Somebody could have gotten in, and they could have. Uh, so I'm dealing with this issue with this company that I took out a loan with for tattoo removal, and they uh, I've had to argue with them about how information in their computer systems was wrong based on the statements from my bank. But as of recently, I think that what just happened is um, the I think someone broke into my safe and swapped out my paper statements. They were printed a certain way because supposedly three $25 late fees were paid in the month of March, and I don't remember that happening. Um, and and it makes no sense because of the fact that uh, I was not late for 3 months. Now I had two payments, or sorry, two late fees that were tacked on, and I got into a long conversation with some woman maybe 5 weeks ago or something like that, and she agreed if I make one of the payments that she'll waive the other one. I did. Now, what's going on is uh, so I've had things happen. I've had automatic charges come out when they shouldn't have, when they weren't scheduled to. So this is the private sector messing with me. They like to screw with people. Um, I don't know if government and private trade places in this country or something like that, um, but that's what's going on. I think. But my bank statements say that I supposedly made three $25 late fee payments in the month of March, and that I owe for something in the past month or so. I caught up with everything at the end of last month and at the beginning of this month when I made a payment. So my loan is $55.96 per month, and the late fee was $25. So I made an $80.96 payment and got the second one waived. Um, and now it's like they're changing their story on me. And the the bank is doing it too. They're working together to do it. Um, and so I'm just I'm speaking out about it because uh, and I have this feeling that My jujitsu coach it manipulated me into doing the loan, which it really isn't that hard to manipulate someone into doing something that they want to kind of do, because I've been thinking about getting a tattoo removed anyway. But the timing of it was really shitty because it was just shortly after that I ended up. So I've been trying to adjust my life to disability, and I've been trying to work, and nobody will work me, not consistently. People will work me for 2 fucking days and then let me go. And Utah's an at will work state or something. And so I wanted to get the tattoo removed anyway, but I just got this gut feeling that he, uh, when I showed up at his gym, and I had a Midway hat on, and that pisses people off when you can't even, you shouldn't even sell hats and military memorabilia for civilians if you're gonna treat someone like shit or manipulate them for wearing something like that. You know, but this is a Walmart safe. It's not easy to break. It's not hard to break into. And I know I've said it in other videos that people have gotten in my apartment. There's a key, uh, and those are just the facts. This camera right here, pointed at my door, it picks up nothing. Whoever does it, they either are a computer programmer who maybe there's a spy app on my phone. Maybe they access my phone and they prevent my preventing my cell phone from showing me the notification that somebody walked in and that this camera picked up motion, or somebody else is helping them. Doesn't matter. I don't care. People get in here. They're still doing it. I've had my locks changed twice. Um, my uh, I'm going to save that information because I might be doing a court case. But I just I think that my bank and the finance company, the CEOs or something, maybe they chit chatted with each other, and they're like, because I don't know, gaslighting's an important thing in this world. It's an important social tool. It's a political tool or some crap, and uh, people keep doing these things to me to keep. So if I try to quit talking politics, then people do something to me to scare the shit out of me or to make me feel unequal, which is the game to them. It's a game. If you know you want to be treated as an equal, and uh, then people will just treat you unequally to keep you political. And I don't know what else to say. Uh, this country, we're not getting anywhere in this country, I don't think. I'm not very fast. Uh, so that's all I wanted to make a video about, is that uh, I strongly believe that somebody just broke into my home, broke into the safe, swapped out my bank papers, my bank statements, and then the finance company just modified their statement. Maybe it's because that's all I wanted to make a video about.